Standing up, inhale, shift your weight onto your right foot and lift your left heel toward your left buttock as you bend the knee. Begin to lift your left foot up, away from the floor, and back, away from your torso. Extend the left thigh behind you and parallel to the floor. Stretch your right arm forward in front of your torso, parallel to the floor. Stay in this pose for 20 to 30 seconds, then return to standing.